Hello, Odysseys. Hi, I am Fernando. I come from Madrid, Spain, and I'm going to have the pleasure to talk about paella today. We are going to have a little cooking class. And first of all, I want to talk about the ingredients. We have the seafood. We want to do a seafood paella today. So we have mussels, the shrimp, these two, this is already peeled, calamari, clams, sepia. We call it chipirones, a little smaller than the sepia. The rice. The rice is very important for the paella because it has to be very good quality rice, rather thick rice. Talking about the spices, we have the saffron. Actually, paellero is already mixed and it has saffron, niora, like a pepper, the salt, of course, and then going to the veggies, we have the red and the green peppers, the eggplant. We are going to put today some green beans and of course the tomatoes. You see, very good quality tomatoes. So this is all about ingredients, and now we go to the next step. Okay, so I just put the tomato and it's all the veggies are cooking. I put now the fish as well as the calamari and the sepia. Okay, now that we have all, well, part of the seafood and all the vegetables, we put the rice. This is about less than a kilo of rice. We are going to be 5 of us for this paella. And the trick is to fry the rice a little bit. We do this in Alicante, east coast of Spain. In Valencia, they put the rice, once you put the water, then they put the rice. But in Alicante, they first put the rice. We stir it, making sure that we cook the rice for about only a couple of minutes. So it's cooking very well, the vegetables and everything. And now comes the last stage, the seafood. And it's how we decorate the paella a little bit. First we put the clams, we spread them out. And that should be it. Now we just have to wait and hopefully it will be a good paella. Okay, so this is coming to the point that is almost ready, the paella. Can you see that now the sound is more fine than boiling? So that is the indicator that is coming to the end, the cooking part. Actually, it's burning a little bit, toasting the rice. Underneath is what we call the sacarat. And we just give it 1 more minute and that's it. That is the paella. It's a pity you cannot taste it, but it's looking good. By the color, we know that it's looking good. And the smell is fantastic. So, thank you and cheers, Odysseys. I hope to see you soon. Bye.